Once upon a time, there was two people fighting. The Miner 2006 and XX Miner 123X. And they were fighting, and I was up here alone on this, and they are making their way behind. Should be very... Wait, what? Hello, welcome. Hope you enjoyed the intro. Okay, Oh, yes, a lava pit! We can make another portal. Let's go. Oh, sugarcane. Yeah. From the lava. Yeah. Let's start. Shit. Oi! Give me my stuff back. I know. But that's still. Creeper? Oh god. I don't think he's okay. Mentally, no. Yeah. Nah, fam. Yeah, okay. Should we start near this? Because this random chunk that's here. Yeah. We can start in here. It's just like a... No, like, I'm making a base in here, but like, it's a little bit underground and we have a door. Just like there. It's not cubby holing. We're not gonna cubby hole. Like, I mean like, we're gonna have our house apart of this. No, well, not really. It's just like a beacon showing that our house is here. You can see. You got iron. Let's go. Well, I mean, we could. We can start off at the bottom, and we can just like make it around, and then we can break it. Is that? No, it's not a bow. Wait, what? Alright. Oh, jeez. Okay. Me. Please, please. I'm just up here. What is that? Ronan, I'm here. Ronan, behind you. I'm just gonna have to cut that out because I said your name by accident. Cheers for the boots. Yes. And just purple, because $48. That's not bad. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Give me it. What is this? What is this? No, what is this? What? Jeez. That looks very unrealistic. Now we can tree climb and just break from the bottom down. I mean, bottom down, what? Top to bottom, yeah. Which is the tallest? Ah! Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Okay. That's. Give me my stuff. Jeez, spread out all over the place. Gosh. My iron boots. My iron boots. I need my iron boots. We need torches up there. Ah! Wait, what? Okay. Sad. I have 1 coal. Wow, 1 coal. You wanna make a tree house? Don't break this tree stump, otherwise the tree would die. Well, I'm just gonna make a thing here. Not that much. Yeah, I need to make a chest as well. It's not how you make a chest. I'm gonna go look for food. Jesus! Oh my god. No. Oh, come on. Guys, we don't make our base here. We're on a tiny island. Well, I guess in the next video we're probably gonna have to go search for land. Yeah, I knew something was fishy about this place. Before we... Fishy. No, 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 no. No, baby zombie! Baby zombie! Baby zombie! Baby zombie! No, there's... No, I don't think I'm good. Oh gosh. Gee, I want to get my stuff. No! Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Beach. Oh, yes. 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 No. No. Ah! There's two! There's two! No! What? No, get off! Hey, die! Oh, yes, finally. Whew! Phew. The raining just stop, please? I'm taking this. Just getting rid of this. Yeah, we should have checked before we started building. Yeah? Oh my god. Well, we should probably say goodbye to the viewers. Well, anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video, and peace. Don't forget to hit the red button. It's completely free, guys, isn't it? It's free. It's free. And make sure to drop a like. Be greatly appreciated. Peace.